Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to delete a profile from Klaviyo. This is particularly useful when you need to remove outdated contacts, clean up your audience list, or comply with data removal requests. If you want to streamline your workflow and save money on subscriptions, check out the link in my description. Let's get started. First, open your browser and navigate to klaviyo.com. Once you're there, sign into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're logging into the correct account if you manage multiple Klaviyo workspaces, as this will determine which profiles you have access to. After you've successfully logged in, you'll land on your Klaviyo dashboard. This is your central hub for managing all your email marketing activities. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a navigation panel with several options. Look for and click on Audience. This section is where all your contact management happens. Once you click Audience, a submenu will appear. From there, select Profiles. This will take you to a comprehensive list of all the contacts currently stored in your Klaviyo account. Now that you're viewing your profiles list, you'll need to locate the specific profile you want to delete. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar to quickly find the contact by entering their email address or name. Once you've found the profile, go ahead and click on it. This will open up the full profile view with all the associated details and activity history. Give the profile a moment to fully load. You'll see various information about this contact, including their engagement history and any tags or segments they belong to. On the right side of the screen, look for a button labeled Profile Actions. Click on this button to reveal a drop-down menu with several options for managing this specific profile. From the drop-down menu that appears, click on Delete Profile. This is the option that will permanently remove this contact from your Klaviyo account. It's important to note that this action will delete all associated data with this profile, so make sure you're certain before proceeding. A confirmation message will pop up on your screen. Klaviyo does this as a safety measure to prevent accidental deletions. The message will typically warn you that this action cannot be undone. Read through it carefully, and if you're sure you want to proceed, click Delete Profile to confirm your decision. The profile will then be permanently removed from your account. And that's it. The profile has been successfully deleted from your Klaviyo account. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.